Hello and Namaste. I'm Vandana Seth, MD of RV Solutions Private Limited. We are a technology services company into multiple domains of telecom, IT software, system integration, as well as after-sales services for consumer durables. We have recently launched our Excellence Repair Center, which is expanded facility. We were already doing it for last 10 years. Now we expanded it. Here we are doing repairs for IT as well as telecom equipment in the terms of anything that goes on mobile tower, be it BTS, be it radios, be it routers, be it CPs, whatever, or cameras, etc. This is, of course, this employs a lot of people, but what we really believe is that it gives a lot of service to the society in terms of environmental protection. Repair is an integral part of circular economy, which will help reduce our carbon footprint and also help in sustainability goals under the SDG. So it's a great, as we see the manufacturing thing booming, we also see the similar thing happening in services, especially repairs. Actually, even in the in the otherwise services also, in terms of the consumption of consumer durables is improving, is growing. So we see a lot of growth there. As well as this particular repair center is concerned, now with a lot of manufacturing, the indigenization that is happening there will be a lot of services in terms of repair that would be required. So that is where we thought it would be better to expand our services. Also important is government getting into the ERSO is what we call it, which is electronic repair outsourcing organization. In the terms of government would promote international repairs to be done in India. So that is similar to what happened with IT boom 25 years back. So we are definitely very eager to be part of that whole ecosystem. Okay, so I'll just give you a brief about the organization. So we have a software division where we are building customized softwares for anyone. Our clients are government as well as private. Then we have a system integration division where we do a lot of system integration again for government as well as private. This encompasses like CCTV camera surveillance installation or networking or NMS things or IPLS installations. We did VSAT installations, smart glasses. So all kind of system integration we are doing. Then we have telecom services where we are doing field work for any mobility requirements for the telcos as well as the OEMs. We are also doing O&M for them. We maintain their equipment in the field. And then we have after sales services, which is we have a network of service centers. So any brand that wants to associate with us can actually patch into those service centers. For especially this facility repairs, I mean, we are doing any OEM that we repair all the equipment that is there. So as far as a consumer durable brand is concerned, we have the largest network of service centers all over India. So that has become our USP. So if they want the coverage, definitely, and of course our history goes back to, we started in 2009. So we have been in this industry for 14 years. So that kind of experience we have, the team is really good. We definitely have that USP. As far as the electronic and in the terms of IT or telecom thing is concerned, we are one of the very few companies who are from India, which are an Indian company doing these services. Now they don't have to, the brand coming from outside, let's say the OEM coming from outside for enterprise equipment, they don't have to send their equipment back to their respective country for repairs. They have this facility here. They can reduce their cost and reduce their time to send the equipment back to their countries. So, and with manufacturing coming over, definitely any brand would need these services, because any product company would want to focus on their product, on the R&D, on the sales of that, and not into these kind of services. So that is where our services come in, and of course our legacy talks about it. We have grown from If you see, we have grown from here till here. So we are there. Be proud to be an Indian company, and definitely it's a women led organization, but a lot of support from the team. We really want to do a lot of things for the society, and we are looking forward to all the support. So yeah, so we are looking for that kind of support from our clients, and clients have been nice to us. They really feel that we are doing good. That is why we have been progressing every year. So yeah, we totally believe in being go global.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.